that what they call it, the greater Glendale area? Where do you live? What? Where? Santan Valley? Well, they seem impressed. I don't know. They must live in Ajo, right? Is there anybody here from Ajo that I just insulted? I just heard the name. I don't even know what it means, but I don't want to go there. It's not only that I don't want to live there, I don't even want to go through there. Should I just pick up speed when I'm going through Ajo? What's wrong with Ajo? Just how much time do you spend there? None. So maybe you should give Ajo a chance. Give Ajo another look. Where do you live? Chandler. Why'd you see the way she said that? Chandler, where else? What do you do for a living, Justin? Police officer? All right. Luckily, this is not one of the states I'm wanted in.
Damn.
You guys want to smoke a joint? Is it legal here in Arizona? You get a card? You get a card where, like at CVS? I used to smoke pot. Officer Justin, I used to smoke pot. I quit smoking pot when crack came out. Crack's my favorite now. Just a social crack smoker. I smoke crack at crack parties, or if I go bowling. And I'm in 3 leagues. I don't bowl, I'm just an alternate. I'm there for the crack portion of the program. You know what the truth is? You count the times I smoked pot on one hand. My high school graduation that night when you smoked a joint. All throughout college. 20s, 30s, and 40s. I was watching that show Cops that's still on, you know, the one that's still on. It's on channel 9000 or something. There was a cop there, he'd been shot once, and he was describing what it felt like. He'd been wearing the vest, thankfully, and he said it was just like being hit in the chest with a sledgehammer. Which really clears it up for me. Because my mom used to hit me with a sledgehammer. That's how she woke me up in the morning for school. America's Most Wanted, too. They were looking for a guy in there. They didn't even have a photograph of him, so they showed the police composite sketch. They must get the information from these sketches from eyewitnesses who are a hell of a lot more observant than I am. I was an eyewitness one time at a hold-up, and a police artist comes in. Mr. Regan, did you see the guy with the gun? Yeah, I saw him. Okay, come over here and take a look at this book here, if you would. This selection here, and could you tell me what kind of lips did he have? His lips? The bad robber guy? Yeah, did he have thin lips or full lips? What kind? He had 2 lips. Right underneath his nose. I think he had an ear on both sides of his head, but I can't be sure. Yeah, and he had a gun. He had a gun. It was a Smith & Wesson 38 caliber snub-nosed nickel-plated high-performance revolver. He's gonna show me a book full of lips. I like this. They talk to 911 operators on one of these shows, Rescue 911. They also do the same thing. They say you can tell when it's a real emergency because the caller will not calm down. So it's not in your best interest if you calm down when you call 911. You don't want to call them up. Yes, I'd like to report a fire inside my apartment. Yes, there's large flames in my apartment. Yes, that's right. They're getting closer and closer to me. And quite frankly, I'm a little bit concerned about my safety. Yes, I'll hold. Well, I've been to the desert on a horse with no name. You know what I like is when the real cops pull the real people over, and the people you get to watch it right on. And the people are so stupid they think they just lie to the cop after one question. That's going to be the end of it, like he's going to let him drive away after one question. They don't understand. Cops have this little technique. I think they probably call them follow-up questions. You see it all the time. What do you do in this neighborhood? I was over my sister's house. Okay, what's your sister's last name? You got me. I don't know her last name. You got me on that. Just Karen. Just always called her Karen. She's not my sister per se. She's not. She's my sister-in-law. That's the thing. She just recently got married to my brother. Okay, you know your brother's last name, but it's just, okay, I'm gonna be honest.